Jai Swaminarayan, myself Lalith Adithya, an alumni of Shree Swaminarayan Gurukul International School Vijayawada. I have studied in Vijayawada Gurukul for 12 years. I am very grateful to Gurukul that it provided a good platform to accompany with saints. They inculcated many values, sanskar and traditions in my life and they transformed life. They inculcated Vidya, Brahmavidya and Sadvidya. Brahmavidya, spiritual education, Sadvidya, traditional education and Vidya, moral education. Through Brahmavidya sessions, saints have taught us how to accompany with a good friends, how to use mobile phone for becoming master of media, and they taught us not to drink alcohol, not to eat non-veg and to follow Panchavartman given by Bhagavan Shree Swaminarayan. And it helped me a lot in outside society. Now in outside society, as it was not a good condition, I could select a good friends and now I set a good example for my friends in my college. And I am very grateful to Gurukul that it transformed my life. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.